how to install Floor & Decor AquaGuard bamboo flooring. Here are the tools you'll need. Step 1. Prep. Measure your room prior to installation and allow for 5 to 10% cutting waste. Begin by removing any moldings and cleaning the subfloor. Be sure the subfloor is dry. To ensure a natural-looking floor, work from several boxes of flooring at one time. Step 2. Installation. Begin laying the planks from left to right. Place the floorboard 1/2 inch from the left wall. Use 1/2 inch spacers between the floorboard and the wall. For the next plank, place it and gently tap with the rubber mallet to firmly lock it into the previous plank. At the end of the first row, leave 1/2 inch expansion gap at the wall and measure the last plank to fit. To cut the plank, use a chop saw or equivalent circular saw. Start the second row using the leftover plank from the last cut of the first row. This plank must be at least 6 inches long. If it is less than 6 inches, cut a new plank in half or at least 8 inches in length. Click the long side of the plank into the previous row and tightly place it next to the short end of the previous plank with an angle of 30 degrees. Use a rubber mallet to lock it into place. The last row may need to be cut. To measure the last row, lay a loose board exactly on top of the last row laid. Place another board on top with the tongue side touching the wall. Draw a line along the edge of that board to mark the first board. Remove spacers. Finish with moldings to cover the expansion gap. Water-resistant, stunning, durable, and easy to maintain. AquaGuard bamboo comes with a lifetime residential warranty. It is the sustainable and high-performance floor you can feel totally good about. Exclusively available at Floor & Decor stores and online at flooranddecor.com.